Heather Stockley here from swapbeauty.com, and I'm here today to talk about, I'm not going to say my favorite, I'm going to say one of the most relevant topics we hear about in the industry today, and that is my product natural? Ooh. Don't be offended, I'm not rolling my eyes, but I hear this question all the time. Is your product natural? Is this natural? Is it good for me? Look, we all want great products because we want to optimize our skin health and we want our skin to look amazing. But here's the thing, I'm going to unfold a few things or myths about that term natural. Marketing leads us to believe that lots of products are natural, and I never knock a brand because there's lots of great brands with many different philosophies out there on the market. But next time you go into the store and you're buying something that's natural, I want you to take a look at the list, the ingredient list on the back of that box. And usually the ingredients that have the highest percentage in that product are listed at the top, and as the percentage of that ingredients start to diminish or decline in terms of percentage, you'll find that at the bottom, okay? So is it natural? Look at the percentage, look at the ingredient list, and go from there. Marketing companies often lead you to believe that a product is natural, and they get away with it because of compliance, regulation, and what they're allowed to say in their claims. So that's my first point. My second point is, I'm a sucker for biotechnology. Now, I'm not great at science, I'm not gonna lie. Biology was never my forte, which is kind of funny because the skin is all about biology, science, chemistry. But what I can tell you in layman's terms, or terms you understand, is biotechnology is skincare when nature and science, they come together. They align. I love cosmeceuticals, you know why? They're engineered in a lab. We take the plant extracts, the acids, the AHAs, the collagens, and the plant stem cells, one of my personal faves. Why? Plant stem cells mimic what our skin's DNA needs. And we take those ingredients and we find the best possible way to formulate them so they are adaptable to the skin, they deliver absorption for the skin, they have the highest efficacy for the skin. You're gonna see results that way. Yes. So biotechnology is my thing, which is why I love cosmeceuticals, because you get a very high percentage of active ingredients from natural sources. Next point, everything has to have a shelf life. So for those of you who go into those big box stores, and we don't need to name names, whether it be a department store, your beauty retailer, even the products on my shelf, they can't be 100% natural or I'd be throwing them out tomorrow. Okay. Everything has to have preservatives. But you want to look for preservatives that are good for you, such as food-grade preservatives, okay? So if something needs a shelf life and you want it to last 6 months, a year, or even 2 years, think about what has to be in that product to sustain it. All right, my next point, natural. Making a natural skincare product is when you go in your fridge, you go in your garden, you take some lemon, you take some oats, you take some herbs, essential oils, you mix it up and you're like, ooh, voila, I made a mask, I made a scrub for my skin. But I gotta use it today or tomorrow or store it in the fridge, and maybe after a few days it's no good. That's natural. But there's a problem with that, okay? So for all you natural skincare lovers who are formulating at home, and you know what you're doing, I'm not knocking it, but here's the thing. First, the molecules of some of those ingredients are too large. They won't penetrate past the epidermis. They'll just sit there topically, so you won't get the results that you think you're going to get. Second of all, some of these ingredients, such as, for example, a lemon acid, is not going to be pH balanced for the skin. It's either going to be too acidic, it's going to be too alkaline, and from there you may get disruption or inflammation. So you may have went out to fix hydration levels of your skin or acne or different conditions, but in the end, now you have 2 conditions you have to treat. Ugh, natural. So I never knock brands. There's thousands of brands on the market. They've all been tested. They have to meet health requirements. They have to be registered with either the FDA or Health Canada in order to reach the consumer's hands, okay? So think about all these things the next time you're looking for something natural. I'm a big advocate in saying that the skin is like a sponge. It absorbs everything it comes in contact with, whether it be a household cleaner, our skincare, toxins in the environment, it absorbs it. So yes, we want something that's better for us to optimize our skin health, but really think twice the next time you hear the word natural. That's Heather Stockley. Don't forget to visit swapbeauty.com, and we have new courses coming on udemy.com. Have a super